Hello students, welcome to my lecture. I am Savita Yadiz, Department of Microbiology, KAANMS College Satana. I am teaching you the paper of Microbial Extremophiles from M.sc. first, same first, and in that paper today we will learn about diversity of extremophile, which one of the very important part of Microbial Extremophile. So in Microbial Extremophiles, now we will study about diversity of extremophiles. Extremophiles are the microorganisms that can survive in harsh environmental conditions. Extremophiles is an organism that is able to live in extreme environment such as extreme temperature, radiation, salinity or pH level. Examples of tardigrades, bacteria, archaea, eukaryotes. Extremophiles includes member of three domains of life, that is bacteria, archaea and eukaryotes. Most extremophiles are microorganisms and high proportion of these are archaea, but this group also includes eukaryotes such as protists, that is algae, fungi and protozoa, and and multicellular organisms. Then most extremophiles are may be divided into two broad categories: extremophilic organisms which requires one or more extreme conditions in order to grow, and extremotolerant organisms which can thrive which can tolerate extreme value of one or more physiochemical parameters through growing optimally at normal condition. Then we will study about microbial forms of extremophiles in various habitats. There are many classes of extremophiles that ranges all around the globe, each corresponding to the way its environmental niches differs from mesophilic condition. Many extremophiles falls under multiple categories and are classified as polyextremophiles. For example, organisms living inside hot rocks deep under Earth's surface, and thermophilic and physiophilic such as Thermococcus barophilus. A polyextremophile living at the summit of mountains in the Atacama Desert might be radio-resistant xerophiles, a psychrophile, and, a, and an oligotrophs. Polyextremophiles are also known for their ability to tolerate both high and low pH levels. In microbial extremophiles, there are many classes. For example, acidophiles. Acidophiles or acidophilic organisms are those that thrive under highly acidic conditions, usually at pH 5 or below. These organisms can found in different branches of life, tree of life, including archaea, bacteria, or also eukaryotes. An acidic environment is one that has a pH below 6. Acidophiles are able to live and thrive to a highly acidic environment, particularly at pH 2 or below. Acidophiles are considered as an extremophiles. Then second one is alkaliphiles. Alkaliphiles are a class of extremophilic microorganisms capable of survival in alkaline pH roughly 8.5 to 11, the environment growing optimally around a pH of 10. Example of alkaliphiles include Halorhodospira, Holochloris. Then these bacteria can be further categorized as obligate alkaliphile, those that requires high pH to survive. Then facultative alkaliphiles, that is those able to survive in high pH but also grow under normal conditions. And haloalkaliphiles, those that requires high salt content to survive. Then third one is thermophile. Thermophiles is an organism, a type of extremophile that thrives at relatively high temperature between 41 to 120 degrees Celsius. Many thermophiles are archaea. Through some of them are bacteria and fungi. Thermophilic eubacteria are suggested to have been among the earliest bacteria. Thermophiles are found in various thermally heated regions of Earth such as hot springs like those in Yellowstone National Parks and deep sea hydrothermal vents, as well as decaying plant matter such as peat bogs and compost. Some examples of thermophilus includes bacteria like Thermos aquatics, which was discovered in hot spring, and archaea like Pyrococcus furiosus. Then next is psychrophiles. Psychrophiles or cryophiles are extremophilic organisms that are capable of growth and reproduction in low temperature ranging from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. They are found in places are permanently cold such as the polar regions and the deep sea. Psychrophilic bacteria includes gram-negative genera such as Pseudomonas, Moraxella, Psychrobacter, Flavobacterium, Polaromonas, or many of them. Gram-positive genera such as Arthrobacter, Bacillus, Morococcus species, and microalgae such as Chlamydos monals. Next is halophiles. Halophiles is an extremophile that thrives in a high salt concentration. In a chemical term, halophiles refers to a Lewis acidic species that has some ability to extract halides from other chemical species. A halophile is an organism that live in an environment that has a high salinity such as ocean and solid salt crystals. Then next is physiophiles, that is also called as barophiles. A barophile is an organism that survive in a high pressure environment, that is barophiles are a type of extremophiles. An example of high pressure habitat is a deep sea environment such as ocean floors and deep lakes where the pressure can exceed. Then another is a subsurface rocks with high lithostatic pressure. Example of barophile is a Halomonas salaria and Moritella colvelia. There are examples. Then next point is xerophile. Xerophile is an extremophilic organism that can grow and reproduce in condition with the low ability of water, also known as water activity. Then water activity is measured as a humidity above the substance relatively to the humidity above the pure water. Xerophiles are mainly found in xeric condition. This xeric condition may mostly observed in deserts like Sahara deserts. Then xerophiles include bacteria, yeast, fungi, lichens, algae. Xerophiles are a zero tolerant, meaning tolerant of dry conditions. Mostly in deserts, there are xeric condition, that is a dry condition. So there are few bacteria, yeast, fungi, lichens, algae are observed. Then next type is oligophile. Oligophiles are a type of are a group of bacteria that can grow in extremely low concentration of nutrients. They grow slowly and efficiently, scavenges resources. They form small and microscopic colonies. An example of an oligotrophic bacterium is Colobacter crescentus. It is a gram-negative bacterium widely distributed in freshwater lakes and streams. Then next topics we will study in next lecture. So goodbye.